Continuing coverage of CES 2025, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We're here at the Neewer booth, and we've got Lucas here, and we're going to learn about how you can use your phone as a high-powered camera. So you got cases, and you got lenses, and everything like that. And we're going to see this. We're going to see this over on this area right here. But first of all, you want to show this right now. So what do we got?
Sure. So to start, you need to have a case for your phone. We make them for all the newest Apple, Android, and Pixel devices.
Okay.
The reason you need this is that it has a threaded attachment.
So that's the phone case right there.
Yes. You need this because it has a threaded 17-millimeter thread. All of our lenses have a 17-millimeter adapter, and you just screw it on like so, and then you have the lens attached to your phone.
Okay.
So then,
nice poker. Here, let me hold on the poker chip.
Yep. So this is a.
We'll do that the right way.
This is a 105 macro.
Look at that. That's beautiful. Nice little bokeh right behind me.
Yep.
And everything like that. So that would be perfect for your. That'd be perfect for your whatever.
Yeah.
Whether you're at CES, whether you're at whether you're in your basement or anything like that.
Miniatures, jewelry, ingredients like food influencers like this, because you can take a beautiful shot of ingredients or detail shots of your food.
Okay. So, and you have a series of lenses. This isn't the only lens.
Correct.
So
we have a whole series.
Let's take a look at some. Can you bring those over? Or?
Sure, I can.
Yeah, bring the whole thing over. Yeah, there we go.
This is our wide angle series. Well, this one isn't wide. This is a 60-millimeter prime. We have a 8-millimeter. We have a 18-millimeter. And then this is a 200-degree fisheye.
Nice. I need that. I need that right now.
We have a 45x microscope.
Oh, geez.
We have a 10x microscope. But then here we have a blue streak anamorphic. This is a 7x.
Okay.
Optical. This is a blue streak anamorphic.
Okay.
This is an 85-millimeter prime.
Wow.
And I will show you the microscope now. This has a built-in LED. The built-in LED. It's rechargeable. And so if you put it on fabric, I don't know if you can see this, but you can see the individual threads in my very finely woven shirt.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
Yeah, it's USB-C rechargeable and has 2 power levels. So you can get some very interesting shots with that. Yeah, and then besides this, our most cool one is the probe lens, which you might have seen the demonstration for over there already.
Is it Neewer or Neewer?
It's Neewer.
I was told Neewer when I first started.
So that's our number one question at trade shows.
So we have a whole shelf here of cool stuff. We've got the TL series light in the background. Mm-hmm. We got the phone cases right there for the lenses.
Yep.
And then underneath we have cases for any type of needs, whether you need to put it on a stand for the table, whether you need to carry it around like doing a CES thing. And then on the bottom shelf, you got all the microphones and even more, wireless microphones in all the other cases right there. So that's crazy. Let's talk a little bit, going back to the lens kit here. So what type of price points are we looking at?
So the phone cases run between $45 and $55.
Okay.
They're specific to models because it has to exactly match up with your lens and nest on it. And then the lenses run from anywhere from $40 to $70 for the ones I demonstrated.
Okay.
The microscope is $40. Also, I should mention everything on our website usually has a deal, so you can get that for in the 30s usually.
Okay.
Up to the 105 macro I demoed, that was $70.
Okay.
The other probe lenses and larger lenses can range from 100 plus. But generally, most of the lenses are, in that very affordable range. You
won't need those lenses unless you're actually doing something cinematic.
Right. They're somewhat niche.
Yeah. And plus, Neewer has a lot of other stuff, including lights, the TL60, the TL120, which we have in the studio, DMX lighting, and Bluetooth lighting. Awesome stuff. Where do people go for more information?
Neewer.com.
Neewer.com. There you go. Lucas, thank you very much for your time. And there you go. Stick around for a second. We got a lot more here at CES 2025. Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine. And youtube.com/Geekazine. So go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, bell notification so you know when the next video comes out. And until next time, you guys geek out and take a lot of photos with some really cool lenses through Neewer. through Neewer. Through Neewer.